to address the
Major focus remains
years he is spending into what kind of benefit.
In an exclusive interaction with the Industry Outlook, Mr. Shailesh Nigam, the Chief Operating Officer, EEMEA, CIS and SARC, American Air Filter International, shares his views on the current evolution of indoor air pollution control market in India and how AAF India is positioned in the market to cater to the unique requirements of diverse industries in the segment. Since its establishment over a century ago, American Air Filter has earned the reputation of being one of the leading companies in clean air and indoor environmental quality. Today, AAF continues to provide quality products and new technologies that not only protect people, products, and equipment but also promotes environmental protection.
According to a recent report, India recorded the highest average annual PM 2.5 levels. How is the indoor air pollution control market gaining momentum in India, and what is the role being played by government regulations?
Yes, you are correct. The pollution level in Indian cities, especially tier 1 cities, has been continuously rising, and there had been many reasons behind this deforestation, construction, vehicular pollution, industrialization. There had been major cause of rising pollution in Indian cities. And if we look at top 10 most polluted cities of world, I think three or four Indian cities are having the space, and that is not a good sign. Uh, Outdoor pollution becomes a cause for indoor pollution also, but indoor pollution itself, because nowadays we stay in closed environments, buildings are all closed, air conditioned buildings, so that also leads to indoor pollution. Although there had been a lot of research and studies which have been done in last 30 years on the cause and effect of indoor air pollution, and it has been established that indoor air is even 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. So it is very important for us to understand the importance of indoor air quality. The major challenge which we face, because we see it's a very big potential which lies there in the market, but the major challenge is awareness of the industry, institutions, or the society at large. uh, Government regulations so far has not been very supportive. Very recently, government has adopted BIS standard, which is the adoption of ISO standard 16490. But there is yet to be implementation happen. We are looking for regulatory bodies like pollution control boards, municipal corporation, and other regulatory bodies to adopt these standards, make it mandatory for the building owners, for industry owners, to make sure that the indoor air quality is improved and we breathe fresh and sanitized air.